off the southeast coast of Africa, north of Madagascar. The coral limestone island of the Aldabra Atoll are home to a humble yet astonishing bird that is so nice that it evolved flightlessness. Doriolimnus calveri aldabranus, or the Aldabra island rail, about the size of a chicken with a flecked gray back and a rusted red head and chest, along with a white throat. It is a subspecies of the white-throated rail and is the only living flightless bird in the Indian Ocean, thanks to human-driven extinction of birds like the dodo and the elephant birds. A study in 2019 published in the Zoological Journal of the Linnean Society examined the fossil record of rails in Aldabra, evidence of a flightless rail on the atoll from before it was submerged beneath the waves 136,000 years ago. This event caused an almost complete turnover in the fauna. This resulted in the extinction of the flightless rail subspecies. But then something remarkable happened. When the atoll resurfaced, the white-throated rail, which is able to fly, recolonized the atoll, and in about 20,000 years or less, the rails were evolving flightlessness again, losing its ability to fly once again. The researchers found that leg fossils from rails dating to around 100,000 years ago were heavier and more robust than those of white-throated rails. The Aldabra Island rail essentially evolved twice, rising from the dead through a process called iterative evolution, where a species goes extinct, but then another comes along and evolves the same traits and becomes near identical to one that was lost. There is no other case of this happening. What happened was that the two subspecies of birds came from the same ancestral species. These birds lay their eggs on the ground, so having strong legs to run around straight after hatching may help them survive. Today, the Aldabra Island rail is listed as least concern, though, like other flightless rails and other island flightless birds in general, the Aldabra Island rail is in fact threatened by invasive animals such as cats and rats. To learn more evolutionary oddities, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell.